Hey DIYers, this is Dylan with Alarm Grid. Today we're going to review how to use the wireless learn option on the GC touch panel. So this is what you'll use if you want to program sensors to the panel. This can be done either through the wireless learn mode, which we're going to review today, or the manual enrollment, where you type in the sensor information instead of just activating the sensor. So I'll show you how to get that done. We'll edit the sensor and then test it to make sure it's working. Okay, so we have our GC touch panel here. So before we put this into learn mode, the sensors that are going to work with this are going to be 345 megahertz. So that's going to be essentially all 2 gig sensors, encrypted or not. And that will also work with Honeywell 5800 legacy sensors. So not the 6 series or Pro 6, but the older 5800s will work with this. So to start, we are going to go into settings. We have to make sure our system is disarmed first, which it is. So settings. Since we're doing programming, we're going to enter the installer or programming code 1561 and then enter. All right, we're going to do sensor settings. And if you have any sensors programmed, it would show in this list here. We don't have anything programmed yet. So we have a few options here. We can do manual or quick add. Manual is you're going to type in the serial number or the DLID from the sensor. The quick add, which is what we're going to do here, is you just have to activate the sensor. Okay, so we will pop up in the motion sensor here. Okay. That got us the ID. We'll press next. All right, so SKU, device ID, PIR. Loop 1 is the only actual loop available, so by default it's just going to go to that. For the group, so by default we want to interior follower away. So what that means is that when the system is armed to away, when you enter the home through your front door, and that triggers the countdown to disarm your system. If the motion sensor picks you up while you're walking to the system, it will still honor that countdown and not trigger the alarm. But if the motion sensor is triggered first, then it will instantly trigger the alarm with no delay. So that will be for number 4, interior follow away. Interior with delay, that's essentially the same thing. Just for both stay away and then interior perimeter. I'm sorry, you can set it to instant perimeter, which will trigger the alarm if the system is armed away or stay with no delays at all. So really for motions, you just want to focus on number 4 or number 10. So we will keep it at number 4. Device name, we'll say living room. And submit. So now let's go ahead and do quick for the motion sensor again. So I'm just going to pop that open. Okay. Press that. Next. All right, same thing. So device is going to be PIR, passive infrared. Loop 1, again by default, so it's the only option available. Group, interior follower. So if the system is armed to away, and the motion sensor picks me up, it's going to follow a delay. So similar to entry exit. If I do interior follow away, that's only armed away. Interior with delay is if the system's armed stay or away. And then I can also set this to perimeter as well, which you usually don't put motion sensors for. So I will do interior follower away. Device name, living room. Okay. So these are going to be the sensors that we programmed, zone 1 and zone 2. And those save automatically, so I can do that. Go back home, I'm going to activate the door sensor and front door. Perfect. Okay, so that is how you use the wireless learn feature on the GC Touch panel. If you did like this video, please like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified about any future videos we release. If you had any questions for us, feel free to call us at 888-818-7728. Our email address is support@alarmgrid.com. And if you come to our website, www.alarmgrid.com, you can use our live chat feature on there as well. Either way, reach out, we'll be happy to assist you. Again, my name is Dylan from Alarm Grid, and thank you for watching.